So I'm sure many of you wanted to use OBS software to record their screen. It's very free, you can use it to stream also, and yeah. So I'll show you guys how you do it, but since I'm recording with OBS, I can't go through everything with you guys, but I'll go through most of it. So just go to browser of your choice and type here OBS. Download. Now, link will be in the description. It's called OBS project/download, but link will be in the description. Choose your operating system, Linux, Mac, or Windows. I'm using Windows, but note that Windows only supports Windows 8, 8.1, and 10, so yeah. Oh yeah, and Mac OS release supports only Mac OS 10.13 and newer, and Linux available for Ubuntu 18.4 and newer. So FFmpeg is required. So I'm going with Windows, and I would suggest you guys to download zip, but if you don't have a zip folder, if you don't have a zip opener, I'd suggest you guys go with the download installer, but I'll go with the download zip. It should take you to another page here. It should pop up here in the corner, just wait for it. Click save as, but you can just save it. And I'm gonna save it in my dummy disk for today in my drive. So yeah, I'm gonna save it there. And now just we can, so note this is a 93 MB file, so mine is pretty quick. So now just click on open folder, and since I'm using a .zip file, it will take less time, of course. So I'm using this thing called WinRAR, but you guys, there's another software called 7-zip, and both of these are free. And yeah, so just click on extract here. So it is being extracted, so give it some time. There are a lot of things to be extracted. So, yeah, and that's the reason I couldn't extract it on this, because yeah. Give it some more time. It's just gonna take about a minute. So yeah, I don't know why it's taking so long. Probably because I'm recording and doing this. So just checking if it's recording. Of course it is. So yeah, just speed up this part. Okay, so as you can see, it has been extracted. So now you can just delete the zip file. So as you can see, the zip file, I'm deleting it now. You will get 3 folders. It's going to be called bin, data, and OBS plugins. Now I'm not sure if it's like this for every operating system, but for me, it will be like this for Windows users. So just go to bin. Click on 64 bits, scroll down here, and then you'll see an application. What I would suggest you guys do is click on the application, right click it, and then click on so then just click on pin to start, or you can just pin to start, guys, because you're going to be needing this a lot. So after you pin to start, it's pinned to taskbar already, so that's why it wasn't showing up for me. I'll just unpin it from here, but yeah, you get the point. Now you have to run it, so double click. So yeah, and no, I'm not running on a virtual box for me to open it. It's still running in the corner here, so give it some time. Here you go, 2 OBSs. So OBS is already running. Unless you want meant to do this, please shut down any existing. So for OBS, check if it's still running there. So just click launch anyway. And of course this wouldn't show to you guys, but anyway. Now this is how it should show up. So I'm just gonna minimize the instance that I'm using, that I'm recording with. So it's this instance here. Gonna minimize that. Now it's gonna show up something like this. And now what first thing I'd suggest you do is make sure all corners are centered. But before you do this, there will be something called screen. So if I just remove this, I'm gonna turn it off. So this is how it would show up. So then you're meant to click on add in the corner here. You're meant to click on display capture, then call it screen, and yeah, you can just click OK. That name is already in use. Okay, so call it screen 2. Click OK, and properties, display capture, everything, just click OK, and this is how it should look. But as you can see, some of it is graying out. So what you're meant to do is shrink. So just shrink it. So that's one thing I would suggest you to do. So just shrink it and then fit it so it fits the display. Now we've got it. So then you can just start streaming, or you can just click here start recording. Now if you want to add your webcam, you can just go to where is it? You can just go to video capture device. So just click a video capture device, and well, once you do that, the webcam should pop up. So yeah, that's it. So this can record in 60 frames per second, but okay. If you did like this video, please like, please share, and also please do subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.